Retraining. The process of training a model again on updated data to restore or improve its performance. Retraining addresses model drift and incorporates new patterns the original model did not learn. Why it matters? Regular retraining keeps models accurate as the world changes. Without it, every model has an expiration date. The question is how quickly it degrades. Think of it this way. Like a doctor attending continuing education, the medical field evolves, and staying current requires ongoing learning, not just initial training. For example, retraining a fraud detection model monthly with the latest transaction data so it recognizes new fraud patterns that have emerged since the last training.